Hello audience. So today we will discuss lecture number 10. So in this lecture we will discuss Dawn newspaper vocabulary which are important for CSS, PMS and other competitive examinations. So the first one is dissent. Dissent mean differ, diverge, disagree or fail to agree with. Next one, emanate. So emanate stands for emerge, flow, proceed, ensue, come out, come forth. So all these are synonyms of emanate. Next one, suffice. Suffice stands for something which are enough, sufficient, adequate. Next one, ubiquitous. So ubiquitous stands for omnipresent, just like God. He is present everywhere. So God is ubiquitous, ever present. Next one, anecdotal, informal, unreliable, something which based on unscientific knowledge. Next one, disincentive. Disincentive stands for discouragement, dissuasion, break, curb, check. Next one, anamical. Anamical stands for something which is harmful, injurious, deleterious, pernicious, damaging, detrimental. Next one, exacerbate. So exacerbate something which is become worse, inflame, compound, aggravate, and last one, analogy. Analogy stands for similarity, parallelism, likeness, resemblance. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Down Times. Thank you and God bless you all.